There's try again and see if she doesn't jump up this time. Laura, here she is. This is what's today?
First day of school.
First day of 8th grade.
30th, August 30th.
Well, we know the date because it's on here, but just want to know what was special about today. Well, she's having her bacon and eggs breakfast that she ordered at 7:15. Are you going to eat breakfast every morning at school? At 7:15? And you're not going to be late this year? All right. Look at me. Let me see your whole little face. All dressed in a dress with her hair and
eggs in my teeth.
This time, if we take a picture of the last day of school, you probably won't have your braces on.
Probably not.
Look here, Katie. There's Katie eating her breakfast. There's Michael eating his breakfast. And where's Joshua? Sound asleep. Together. Aren't they cute? And we got the new glasses on and the new hairstyles and everything. Okay, you two, now be good. There you go. Here's Joshua on the first day of school eating his breakfast. What's your teacher's name, Joshua?
Conrad.
Mr. or Mrs.? Mrs. Conrad. And you don't know her, do you?
New teacher. Let Mike tell you about her.
So she's not brand new this year?
No.
Okay, got your lunch money in your pocket. You eat your breakfast.
That's one. Alright.
Okay, there's Katie showing her what she picked from the garden. And there's Mark Myros, his first day here. And his first day to go to school, to kindergarten, right, Mark? What's your teacher's name, Mark?
Miss Bailey.
Miss Bailey. And who's in your class with you?
Casey.
Who's in your class?
Casey.
No, not Casey. Josh said Casey, and he doesn't know what we're talking about.
I'm talking about Katie.
Katie. Katie and Mark are in the same kindergarten class. That's really nifty. And this was this a good day today?
Yes.
What'd you do today?
I played too.
No, what did you do at school?
I played this stuff. We play in things. We play on the playground.
Did you?
And we watch the movies.
All right. First day of school. She stinks, I know.
No, get away from me. Hi, Joshy. Hi, Katie. No! Stop!
Well, how was your first day of 8th grade?
Long.
Okay, come here. You're standing in the line. How was it?
Long.
Long?
Boring, because there's all the rules and stuff. I have great teachers. Lots of good people in my class. And... Ew, nugget.
Everybody notice your glasses?
Ew. Ew, nugget, yes.
No, he said kinks. He says things. Did,
Yeah,
they notice
they recognize me.
Oh, really? That's funny. Now, I want you to say for the camera what you told me the other night.
It's going to be a long year.
Okay, this is going to be a long
We
year.
have soccer tryouts tomorrow. Not tryouts, but workout thing.
Just a meeting? Did you have a meeting today, or are you going to have
No,
it?
we have tomorrow.
Okay. At the end of the year, I'm going to ask you if it was a long year, okay? All right. Here they come. The Indians. You knew that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Did you get Emmy? You want some watermelon, Michael? You don't like watermelon? Get Christina out there in the grass, Joshua. Get Christina out there. Sit her down. Sit down. Well, how's your teacher, Joshua?
Fine, she's mean.
She's mean? Why?
Yeah.
What's mean about her?
You're bad? How are you bad? You like coming late from recess, like we went out and we tried to find a room ball here. And we tried to find it. And these kids took it. We came back and she started yelling at us. Going out and not telling her where we were.
Oh boy. Well, you're going to have to follow.